Today we have a special item we got from idealz, which is the 14-inch MacBook Pro. So the specs I got 16 GB RAM and 512 SSD. So special shout out to them. So I'll be doing the unboxing of this, and this is going to be my first MacBook experience. So take the wrapper like so. Cool. So now just gently lift this up, and inside the box we get the laptop itself. So we'll keep that for a bit there. So right off the bat you get some documentations. So I got the space gray version. You get the black stickers and the user manual. Yeah, other than that you get a 67 watt charging brick and the MagSafe charger. So if you take the laptop, this is the laptop. So you can see the embossed engraving at the back, and I feel like the Apple logo has been a bit large, become a bit larger in this release. So this is the 14-inch MacBook Pro. So in Sri Lankan rupees I got this off a Black Friday deal. It costed me around 7 lakhs. Yeah, so huge shout out to idealz for, you guys definitely check this out, idealz. So yeah, that is in terms of the laptop, it feels a bit chunky and heavy. So here you have the HDMI port, Thunder C, USB-C, and the SD card reader, and then here you have the headphone jack, 2 more USB, and then the MagSafe. So overall this is a pretty premium laptop. So I'm going to start off my journey with MacBook Pro. Thank you.